Hey everybody, enigmatic Gwich'in here. We're out on Big Lake. Gonna pack in a few more birds for the freezer. Got everything in the canoe. There's my buddy Jake.
How's it going?
He's in town. We'll be going out and seeing what we can bag. Kind of hard to see, but we're getting swarmed by mosquitoes here. So if we don't get ducks, we'll go back with mosquitoes. All right, let's hit it. Oh, go ahead. Oh, nice, one more time. Ah, he's gonna come around, he's gonna come around. Quack, quack, quack. Load up. He's coming back around. Wait for him to get closer. Nice! Woo! All right, load up. He's gonna, as soon as he comes up, you're gonna pop him again. They'll take a hit like that and they'll dive. Oh, his female popped up over there, but we're not going after her. Oh yeah. Also, he might dive again or he might fly. But until he comes back up again, we don't know. There's too much waves to see where he went. You'll see like little bubbles sometimes. Right. And the rest of this is just a waiting game now. He could come up anywhere. Again. Oh, man. Go ahead. Woohoo! Shoot the one on the right now. Noise! Oh, there's a bit of a berm there. Push this straight back. There's like a floating berm. Oh yeah, grab him around the neck. Oh, he's done. Hey, look at that. Let's see it. Nice. Taincho. That's a male right there, and then the female is right over there. All right. Oh yeah.
Heck yeah.
Scalp, I think they're called. Yeah, Taincho. Jacob got 2 Taincho. Now we're paddling in that direction. The mosquitoes will never leave us alone. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Back one. Oh. Holy cow. You hit him on that last one. Man, bulletproof. Bulletproof. So that bird right there was wearing a flak jacket. Anybody shooting wouldn't, they would have done the same thing. Nice. All right, let's go out there. Hurry, paddle, paddle, paddle. You gotta get over to them quick. There's two hit the water, so if that guy takes off again, shoot him. Go ahead and stick a shell in there if you have to. Nice shooting, dude. Oh man, almost 70 yards probably. If not even further than that. Alright, hit him again, hit him again, hit him again. Yeah, hit him again. Yeah, again. Alright, what the heck's he doing? Oh. Alright, we gotta go for him, but just be aware there's another one out there. I'll get ready. I'll get my shotgun ready too. Alright, whenever you're ready, pound him. Oh, got our paddle, let's go, let's go, let's go. If we see another one pop up over here, I'll blast him. Huh? Yeah. I'll grab it. Alright, don't put it in yet, I'll take a picture. Alright, perfect. Got him on the gray. Go ahead. One more. Woohoo! Man, he hit. Let's get over there. Nice. Woohoo! Bad dude number 1. Another black duck down, another one for the freezer. Beautiful night. What do you think, Jacob?
Yeah,
Good.
awesome.
Good shooting.
Thanks.
Look at that. Good stuff. There's a whole lot of lake left out there. Let's go take a look at it. Huh? Go ahead. Shit, that would take it off. What the heck? Nice. All right, these 3 are good. Let's go get that one. Further ahead. Further. No off today for me. All right, guys. We paddled for about 3 hours and it was beautiful. It's actually calmed down even more since we've been paddling out there. But me and Jacob, we got 9 black ducks and 2 taincho. These are some of the fattest birds on the lake. They're gonna go into a lot of soup pots and fill a lot of bellies this next year. Thank you, Jacob.
Thank you. We'll tag along.
Oh yeah, man, it was awesome. Definitely do it again in the fall time, and who knows about that far in the future, but next spring. All right, y'all, God bless, and hopefully we survive these mosquitoes. All right, have a good night.